first possession of the game. The kick's blocked. And the running back ran right through a sloppy tackle.
He's in. Touchdown.
He's going to give it to Allen. He's going to be hit behind the line. And he's going to lose yardage.
He's going to lose the ball.
And the ball came out.
So every concept that we've already prepared for and seen on tape, they're showing us. Right triples, guys close to the core, chip. Get the first down first. Get one first down first, then roll.
They already got what we said we was going to give them.
Got a lead.
That's the max.
First down, handoff. Mack walks the dog up the middle. One of the easiest touchdowns you'll ever see. It's a four-man rush with a twist, and he's sacked. Blitz, they pick it up. He throws, an open man at the 40. First down.
We need to turn it up. We're better than what we're putting out there. We're not missing any more tackles. We're not missing any more ice calls, okay? And just be who you are. That's that simple. But let's go. We're better than this. We don't need holding penalties to bail us out. We don't need that. We're better than that.
It might be the worst game they've played all year.